Hey, what's up, Liron here, and today I want to invite you to a challenge. Okay, so I don't know if you've been following what's been going on in the art sphere, but basically, if you're familiar with Jake Parker, he's the guy that invented Inktober, which is a beautiful challenge we all love. He has a really good YouTube channel, and then we have Alfonso Dunn. He's also an excellent sketcher. I've learned so much from his pen and ink videos. Now, there has been a bit of a drama between the two. Alfonso Dunn basically accused Jake Parker for plagiarizing his work for Jake Parker's new book. Now, I'm not going to get into the drama. I will put some links below if you want to read more, get more into it. But I have been asked by some of my followers to do an alternative challenge to Inktober, and then MJ offered something like Washtober. So instead of pen and ink, if you don't want to take a part in Inktober, you can try doing Washtober. And I just wanted to present that idea to you. It's basically the same. And if you're not familiar with the Inktober challenge, I'm going to explain in just a few words. Basically, it's a challenge where you have 30 prompts. I think it's 30, right? There are 30 days in October. 31. So we're going to have 31 prompts, which is just a word that's meant to provide you with an idea for a sketch. So it could be guitar, it could be happiness, it could be connection, it could be many different words that are some more literal, like physical things, and others are more idea-based, and that's meant to spark an idea in you and to get you to do a sketch. You can use references, you can do whatever you want, but the whole challenge is around sketching, okay, with pen and ink, Inktober. What we're going to do is an alternative challenge, if you want one, because sometimes in the past I used to do Inktober on and off. Like one year I would, other years I wouldn't. I think this time I do want to try something out, so we're going to try it out. I'm going to provide you, it's going to be on the screen and also linked in the description box below. 31 prompts for every day, and all you have to do is create a painting based on that. Use paint, use whatever paint you want. You don't even have to use watercolor, you don't have even to use whatever you want. Use line and ink, use ink and then add a wash, but as long as there's color in it, that's good for me. You can even use black color, it doesn't really matter. So it's just about the fun of it and to give you an idea for a small idea for a small painting every single day. It doesn't have to be anything amazing, it can be, but what I used to do with these challenges, okay, every challenge that entails a daily practice is a challenge. It's very challenging. So I would really lower the bar for an accepted result. So you can literally get an idea for, let's say, beach ball, and then you just paint a beach ball like a stripe and another stripe and another stripe, and you're done in like 5 to 10 minutes. It's that daily ritual that's important. It doesn't matter how long you spend on it. It's all about the fun. And if you miss a day here and there, that's fine. I will be following those and I will look for your posts, so be sure to post them and I'll try and share them on my Instagram and other places as well. And I just think it's going to be fun, so let me know if you're into it. Let me know in a comment down below. Now, the second thing I wanted to talk about is just a quick I guess update or announcement. I want to try doing more and more live videos on this channel. I think it's about time. So I think I'm going to have actually my first live session this Thursday. Okay, so you're hopefully, if I'm scheduling this right, you're going to watch this video on Tuesday. I want to do the first live on Thursday. Now I want to get to a point where it's just natural. Okay, so I'm not going to make a big deal out of it. I'm not going to shout out everywhere. I'm going to go live. It's just going to be the first live. I'll probably get some work done, so it'll be like a preparation for a painting. And then as I do the live video, I'll just talk to you, read some questions, and continue working on that painting. It's going to be something fun, Pokemon related actually. The idea is not necessarily to have a tutorial yet, because I am used to lives, but when it's just talking, I'm not used to making art in the live video, so I don't know how focused I will be able to be. So I want to start with something relatively simple and keep it casual. Mainly just keep it casual for myself and just have fun. You can ask me questions real time. I think it's going to be an interesting experience, and hopefully we can get to a point where 1 out of the 3 videos in a week is a live video, or maybe even an extra. We'll see about that. We'll see how I like it. I just want it to be fun for both of us. and to just create that stronger, more immediate connection, I guess. If you've been following me on Instagram, and I know many of you are, I have been doing lives here and there, and it's been great fun, and they always last longer than I plan to, so I'll say like 30 minutes, like a short live video, and then it ends up being an hour and a half sometimes, because it's just really fun. So I'm going to get the setup done. I'm not sure exactly what I need. I'll figure it out, do the research, and we're going to go for one hopefully on Thursday. If not, it's going to be a different video. My apologies in advance. But I do want to try it out, and maybe there'll be some technical issues because I'm not that accustomed to doing it, but hopefully it'll be fun. So with that, I'm going to wrap it up for today. I hope you'll take part in the Washtober challenge, and we'll see how it goes. And I hope you'll be looking out for that live video on Thursday. I want to thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And it's just amazing that I'm able to do the thing I love and actually make a living out of it from making art, from teaching. I really would not be able to do this without you. So thank you so much, and I will see you again in the next video real soon.